Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Brunke and I live in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. My experience in the field is somewhat limited if you're looking at official experience as a social worker. And I say that because I work at the YMCA and I've been here for about 11 years and I'm in the Family Services Department. So I am constantly dealing with what I would consider to be social work issues, connecting people with services, unofficial counseling, in our pre-K counts program, trying to provide interventions and behavior strategies until we're able to get the services that we need. I just feel like I've had a lot of that kind of experience, but no real social work leadership. Just kind of figuring things out as I go along, and of course over the past 2 years doing the MSW program, really being able to apply what I've learned. Other than that, my undergrad is in sociology, so this is really my first educational experience with social work, and so it's been very, very exciting. Some of my goals, I think my biggest goal with this course as well as the next internship is really being able to have, to use the interventions to put them into action. At my first internship, it was a little bit less of a generalist and more of a clinical because I worked in an elementary school and I did group and individual therapies and things. Probably not as intense as this next one will be, but I was able to get exposed to kind of using those interventions, but I wasn't completely confident. So I want to get more comfortable and confident in doing that. And I think a challenge, I'll be honest, I think the challenge is that I don't have this background, but at the same time over the past 2 years I found that that isn't as much of a challenge that I always fear it's going to be, because I have a unique perspective that some others don't. And I usually find out that I know more than I think I know, or I'm able to kind of do things that I didn't think I could just based off of experience. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's an ongoing challenge for me, is just not having that background, and a lot of this stuff is brand new and being able to apply it. So that's me. I look forward to working with everyone in this course and the next course, and I look forward to watching your videos. Thanks.